Hello, I'm Domina Donna Tagibao, 42 years old, widowed. I have 3 children and 2 boys and 1 girl, aged 21, 19, and 15. I have also 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the youngest in my family. I am college undergraduate. My work experience as a domestic helper is in Kuwait. The family member of my employer is 5, including sir, mom, and the 3 children. My main duties is cleaning, cooking, ironing, and all household chores together to the taking care of the 3 children by sending them in the school and pick up. My second experience is in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. My employer's family is 5, 2 elder and 2 adults and 1 4-year-old girl. My main duties is cleaning, washing clothes, ironing, and some household chores, and then taking care of the 4-year-old girl by sending her in the school and pick up and sending to some activities and then pick up again and then going to the playground and play with the 4-year-old. And then my third experience as a domestic helper is still in Hong Kong. Family members is 5, 2 adults and 1 elder and 2 children. My main duties is cooking, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning, and then taking care of the 2 children by sending them in the school, pick up them, and then sending them again to some activities and go to the playground and play with them. That's all. And then if you hire me, I am promised to do my duties and responsibilities as a helper. I am trustworthy and hardworking. Thank you.